All right, let's simplify this quotient over here. So first of all, the negative signs would cancel. And then we have a 27 on the top and a 3 on the bottom. So 27 and 3, divide both by 3. We get a 9 and 1. And we have an a squared on the top and an a on the bottom. So if we divide both by a, we cancel the a and cancel the square. And we have a b on both the top and the bottom. So we cancel that out. And divide c to the power of 4 by c squared. So cancel the c squared, and the 4 becomes 2. So if we put that all together, the answer would be 9 times a times c squared. So 9ac squared.